Being at Trinity is incredible because this place really focuses on the love of Jesus. The specific attention we give to each individual student and each individual family really sets us apart.
Being at Trinity is really different. When I first came to Trinity, I was touring with Sam, and I loved the idea of the direction that they were going. I loved the mission, I loved the vision, I loved the idea of opening God's doors to all children.
Being at Trinity is very cool.
Being at Trinity is so amazing. It's really fun, it's really inviting.
Being at Trinity is great. I walk in every morning and the teachers are always there greeting me, and everyone's so happy to see you.
When I first came to Trinity, it's more organized than any other school I went to.
We pray every morning when we got into school. My teachers do devotionals before class starts.
We really pride ourselves on making friends quickly and getting to know people and building those relationships early.
There's a lot of opportunities, and you'll make friends very quickly here.
At Trinity, I'm involved in basketball. It's pretty cool. The coaches are really nice.
At Trinity, I'm involved in the theater program, I'm involved in cheer, and I'm also in student council.
I just participated in volleyball season earlier this year. I'm doing cheer right now, and I'm doing track later in the year.
I'm involved in lots of sports like cross country, track, and basketball. They're all fun because the coach includes everyone, and it's a team sport. We all work together to have fun. Even if we win or lose, it's always fun because we work together.
And we really believe that we have some of the best teachers of any school anywhere. Our teachers are intentional about building relationships with kids, listening to their stories, meeting them where they're at academically, but most importantly, meeting them where they're at spiritually.
They genuinely care for each other, they genuinely care for our students, and they work really hard every day to make sure that we have a strong culture and strong academic expectations.
I always feel like I can go and talk to any of my teachers if I ever had a problem at school. They're very involved in your life, and they like to talk about what you do outside of school too.
They're different from my past teachers that I've had going to a public school, and I'm very close to a few of them, like my homeroom teacher, Miss Armbrust. She's open to talk about a lot of things with me, and she's really helped me grow in my faith.
They always have a fun lesson planned out for you.
Intentional pieces in place every week to build culture. Every Monday morning and Friday afternoon, the entire school gathers together for school assembly. We sing songs, we have a staff-led devotion, we celebrate achievement and growth and progress. We'll hand out awards for the most growth in a quarter for reading or for math. Every Friday we have an all-school game that we play together, and every Friday the students recite their lines of identity in Jesus. We ask the students, "Who are you?" And they all respond back, "I'm a child of God, loved and saved by Jesus."
Assemblies at Trinity are very high energy, especially Friday assemblies, where everyone's pretty much jumping around, screaming, and having a lot of fun.
And it's that intentional building of the student's identity, that idea of self-worth and that value in Jesus that we really want to build every single week here at Trinity.
As you walk through the halls of Trinity, you can see Jesus reflected in everything that we do. Whether it's artwork on the walls, whether it's songs that the kids are singing, whether it's things that they're talking about in their classroom, Jesus is woven into every aspect of our education here at Trinity.
Like, my family has always said they were Christian, but we didn't really practice our faith. So coming here and going to theology classes has really helped me grow to become a better Christian.
From our staff to our support team to the students, we really have a unique, welcoming environment. We love kids, meet them where they're at. I wouldn't want to send my kids anywhere else. We truly love it here at Trinity.